The Heydar Aliyev Center is a building complex in Baku, Azerbaijan, designed by Zaha Hadid and noted for its distinctive architecture and flowing, curved style that eschews sharp angles. The center is named after Heydar Aliyev, 1923 to 2003, the first Secretary of Soviet Azerbaijan from 1969 to 1982, and President of Azerbaijan Republic from October 1993 to October 2003. In 2007, Zaha Hadid was appointed as the design architect of the center after a competition. The Heydar Aliyev Center represents a fluid form which emerges by the folding of the landscape's natural topography and by the wrapping of individual functions of the center. All functions of the center, together with entrances, are represented by folds in a single continuous surface. The building was featured in Extreme Engineering, a documentary television series that airs on the Discovery Channel and the Science Channel. The episode called Azerbaijan's Amazing Transformation was aired on April 22, 2011 as part of Season 9. The building was seen on the Grand Tour episode entitled Sea to Unsalty Sea, with presenter Jeremy Clarkson praising the building and Hadid.